Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how to change the menu language of an Audi A5 2009 model. I had someone asking for it. It's not that difficult, but I'm going to show you how you can do it. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. If you have any questions, use the comment area below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, turn or press the ignition on. This is the press button. Then we're gonna use this area over here. Yes, to enter this area, you have to use these buttons over here. Go to the press the setup button, and when it turns red, you have this over here. One moment, like this. Then the difficult part is what some people don't try to get is that these menu options here represent these 4 buttons on this area. So we have to go to the settings area, and that's the top right one, this one. So to enter that, you have to press this button, and as you can see, you'll get right to the point, the menu language. Once you are here, you can press the turn button, this button once, press it and choose the desired language by turning the press button. For example, English, and press it again, and then you'll see that the menu changes to English. So once again, press setup. Once it turns red, press the top right one, this one, and then you'll enter this menu, and the rest speaks for itself. So it's not that hard to change the language then. To enter the menu is a bit different. That was it for this video. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Take care. Bye bye.